boys, how's it going? Hope T-ball went okay. I got Liberty with me. I am out driving through my grass field. I've got a couple jobs I want to get done out here tonight. And I just wanted to take you guys along and show you what I'm up to at each one of these 3 stops. So I'll get you another video when we get to our first one. Okay, so the first place that we're going to do or stop for on our little trip out here to my field is we got to go find that big hole that I was telling you guys about a while back when I was out here. I think disking is what I was doing that day. I think Liberty found it right there. So we'll walk over here, and you'll remember that I had a traffic cone and a little flag out here, and that got knocked over somehow. So I want to put that back up. And while we're out here doing that, it's a good place to go to check to see how our corn looks. And we'll go out here to one of the main rows, not the end rows over here, but one of our main parts of the field. And if you see these tracks right here, these are where the tractor tires went through. So I'm going to try to find a row that doesn't have any tracks next to it, like this one. And see how soft the soil is? I can step in and I just sink all the way down. That's kind of what we want, because that way the roots for these plants, all these corn plants, can dig down and go easily way down into the soil. That makes it a lot easier for them to get water and for them to get all the food that they need from the soil. And it also helps, if you've got that root that goes down nice and deep, it helps anchor these plants. So if we do get another big windstorm, they'll hold up a little bit better. But you'll see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and they look like they're pretty good spacing. They're getting pretty big. They've got decent color to them. So yeah, I think these look all right. So I'm gonna go set that flag and that traffic cone back up, and I'll send you a video from the next place. Okay, so I'm out here in the second place I was gonna come to today. I'm in my grass field, and I've got a problem, because I'm supposed to be going grass out here, but I've got a tree that's growing right there. Now, the problem is, I really thought that that tree looked a lot smaller from when I was driving by it in the tractor last fall. So I didn't grab everything I'm going to need to pull that out. I got myself a big scissors to try to cut it up if it was going to be smaller, but I don't think that's going to work today. So now what I'm going to have to do, I'll have to come back out here some other time later this summer, maybe when you guys are down or something, and we'll have to bring probably the skid steer out here. And with that skid steer, I can just grab it and pull it up, and we'll just let it be there. Otherwise, I wouldn't really care. But if that tree gets much bigger, then I've got to let it keep growing, and then I'm going to have to mow around it, and I'm going to have to pick up sticks all the time before I come out here to cut hay. It's just going to be easier if I get it out of there, so I'll have to come back and do that some other time. Okay, on to the next place. Okay, I'm at my last spot, and Liberty's out exploring, keeping an eye on things for me. I'm over here, still in my grass field, a little bit further away. That tree is just over there, so I didn't have to come too far for this stop. But there is this little hole in this field right here. This is a low spot, so a lot of times if we get a lot of rain, water will run right down the middle of this hay field and right through here, but it gets really deep and washes out pretty bad through here. And we usually don't cut it. You can see the grass is a little bit taller here than it is on either side. So I avoided it last year. I knew it was here. And there is, or used to be, an old steel fence post down here. And that would keep us away from here, knowing that if we were down in here with the tractor, we might tip over or something along those lines. But there's also these big rocks down here. And those rocks would really tear up the mower that I've got on the tractor. There's another one back here underneath all of this hay too, or all this grass. You can hear it when I step my foot on it. Right there it is. I don't know if you can see that very well. But anyway, just as a good reminder of where I'm at and where I don't want to be with the mower, I'm going to take a fence post and my fence post driver, which is this thing right there, and I'm going to just put the post in right there. That way I know to avoid this place. And then I'll go look at my bean field for a little bit on the way home, and then I'll check in with you guys when I'm doing chores. Talk to you in a little bit. So I didn't realize what time it was, and I'll need to get this video edited and sent to you guys so you can watch it before it's time for bed. So I think what we'll do, just to try to make it fair to everybody, is I'll go work on getting this all put together so you guys can watch it on one fell swoop. And then tomorrow night, when I go do chores, I'll bring you guys along for that, because I won't have to go do anything in my fields tomorrow night. So I think it's going to be raining tomorrow, so we won't be able to get the skid steer out because it'll get stuck in the field. And yeah, I just won't take anything out, and I won't do anything with that tree until some other time. And when I do, I'll be sure to either have you guys along, or I'll send you guys a video what I'm doing with that. So, okay, I hope T-ball was great tonight, or baseball. And I hope you guys had fun seeing Otto, and Corey and Natalie, and Nora and Paul, Papa Lyle, Grandma Candace, everybody up there. So, have a good night, guys. Take care. I love you.